Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an electric nail drill. First, always prioritize safety by reading your drill's manual thoroughly. Choose the appropriate drill bit for your task, whether it's cuticle work or shaping. Begin with a low RPM around 3,000 to 5,000 to maintain control and prevent damage. This careful approach ensures a safe and effective nail care experience. Before you begin, ensure both your hands and your client's hands are fully sanitized. Gently push back the cuticles to expose the nail plate, creating a clean working area. Now, carefully insert your selected drill bit into the handpiece, making sure it's firmly locked in place. This preparation is key for a smooth and precise application. When drilling, hold the handpiece like a pencil, applying only a very light touch to the nail surface. Always move the drill bit in one consistent direction, avoiding any back and forth scrubbing. It's crucial to keep the bit constantly moving across the nail to prevent friction and uncomfortable heat buildup. This technique ensures a smooth finish. After completing your drilling, thoroughly cleanse the nails to remove all dust and debris, ensuring a clean surface. Next, apply a nourishing cuticle oil to hydrate and soothe the surrounding skin. Finally, remember to clean and sanitize your drill bits before storing them properly. This aftercare routine promotes healthy nails and extends the life of your tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.